Korean skincare has revolutionized the beauty industry, offering products that deliver radiant, healthy skin with cutting-edge formulations. If you're looking to elevate your skincare routine, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll take a deep dive into the top 5 Korean skincare products that have been highly recommended by skincare enthusiasts worldwide. These products not only provide incredible results, but are packed with nourishing ingredients to help you achieve glowing skin. Let's explore these skincare wonders. Kicking off our list at number 1, Sulwhasoo First Care Activating Serum. Sulwhasoo First Care Activating Serum is a highly sought-after product in the world of luxury Korean skincare. Known for its unique formulation, this serum is often considered the cornerstone of any skincare routine. It's designed to enhance the effectiveness of other skincare products by promoting balance and hydration. With a blend of traditional Korean herbal ingredients, it offers a holistic approach to skin health. Key features: this serum is enriched with the brand's signature JAUM balancing complex, which combines 5 key ingredients: lotus, peony, Solomon's seal, white lily, and rehmannia. These ingredients work synergistically to hydrate, balance, and improve skin's resilience. It also contains anti-aging properties, helping to reduce the appearance of fine lines and improve skin texture. The lightweight formula absorbs quickly without leaving a greasy residue. Benefits and usage: the First Care Activating Serum is designed to prep the skin, creating an optimal base for subsequent skincare steps. It helps to hydrate, soothe, and boost the skin's natural barrier, making it perfect for morning and evening use. To apply, dispense a small amount onto your hands and gently pat it onto the face, focusing on areas that feel dry or lack radiance. Follow with your moisturizer or treatment products. Usability: the serum has a soft, luxurious texture that absorbs effortlessly into the skin. It leaves the skin feeling refreshed and balanced, making it suitable for all skin types, especially dry or dull skin. Its subtle fragrance is derived from the natural herbs used in the formula, giving it an elegant, calming scent that doesn't overwhelm. Durability: Sulwhasoo First Care Activating Serum is packaged in a sturdy, elegant bottle with an airtight dispenser to maintain the integrity of its potent ingredients. The serum is highly concentrated, so only a small amount is needed each time, ensuring that one bottle lasts for several months, even with daily use. In the second spot, we have Missha Time Revolution Essence. Missha Time Revolution Essence is one of the brand's best-selling products, known for its ability to deeply nourish and revitalize the skin. With a focus on hydration and brightening, this essence has earned a reputation as a powerful skincare treatment. It is formulated with fermented ingredients to help strengthen the skin and promote a youthful glow. Key features: this essence features a blend of fermented yeast extract, a key ingredient known for its ability to boost skin hydration and rejuvenate dull, tired skin. It also contains niacinamide, which helps brighten the complexion and reduce the appearance of dark spots. The formula is gentle and lightweight, allowing it to be absorbed quickly into the skin, leaving it refreshed and nourished. Benefits and usage: Missha Time Revolution Essence is perfect for those looking to enhance their skincare routine with added hydration and radiance. It works well as an additional layer in your routine, providing deep moisture and prepping the skin for serums and moisturizers. To use, apply a few drops to your face after cleansing, gently patting the essence into the skin for maximum absorption. Follow with your serum and moisturizer for best results. Usability: the essence has a watery consistency, making it easy to spread across the skin. It's suitable for all skin types, especially dry, dull, or uneven skin. Because it's a relatively gentle formula, it can be used both morning and night, helping to improve skin texture and maintain hydration throughout the day. Durability: the packaging is simple but effective, with a pump dispenser that helps preserve the essence's integrity and makes it easy to dispense the right amount. Since the formula is highly hydrating, you only need a few drops per application, which means a bottle will last for several months with daily use. Coming in at number 3 is the Etude SoonJung pH 5.5 Toner. Etude SoonJung pH 5.5 Toner is a gentle, soothing toner that has gained recognition for its minimalist formula. Specifically designed for sensitive skin, this toner helps to restore the skin's natural pH balance while calming and hydrating. It's free from alcohol, artificial fragrances, and other potential irritants, making it a perfect choice for anyone with sensitive skin. Key features. The key ingredient in this toner is madecassoside, a powerful component derived from Centella asiatica, known for its healing and calming properties. This toner also contains panthenol, which helps to hydrate the skin and support the healing process. With a slightly acidic pH of 5.5, it works to maintain the skin's natural barrier while gently prepping it for the next steps in your routine. Benefits and usage. Etude SoonJung toner is ideal for calming irritated or inflamed skin. It's perfect for daily use to maintain a healthy, balanced complexion. After cleansing, apply a generous amount to a cotton pad and gently swipe it across your face. The toner hydrates the skin, helping to calm any redness or irritation while providing a refreshing, soothing effect. It can be used in both the morning and evening routine. Usability. The toner's watery consistency allows it to absorb easily into the skin without feeling heavy or sticky. It's perfect for sensitive or reactive skin, as it doesn't contain any harsh ingredients that might cause irritation. Its calming effect makes it a go-to product for those dealing with redness, dryness, or inflammation. Durability. The bottle design is compact and practical, making it easy to use and store. The toner's gentle formula means a little goes a long way, and regular use will leave your skin feeling smooth, hydrated, and balanced. It's a great addition to any minimalist skincare routine, especially for those who want to keep things simple yet effective. Taking our fourth spot is Dr. Jart plus Cicapair Tiger Grass Cream. Dr. Jart plus Cicapair Tiger Grass Cream is a standout product in the brand's line of skincare treatments, known for its ability to heal and repair the skin. Infused with tiger grass, also known as Centella asiatica, this cream helps to soothe irritated skin, reduce redness, and promote healing. It's widely used for calming sensitive skin and recovering from conditions like acne, rosacea, or sunburn. Key features. The formula is rich in Centella asiatica, a plant known for its restorative and anti-inflammatory properties. The cream also contains niacinamide to help brighten and even out the complexion. The inclusion of panthenol and madecassoside further boosts the cream's ability to calm and repair the skin. The cream also provides a layer of hydration while strengthening the skin's natural barrier. Benefits and usage. Dr. Jart plus Cicapair Tiger Grass Cream is perfect for anyone dealing with redness, irritation, or skin damage. It can be used as a calming treatment after sun exposure or a soothing balm for skin recovery. After cleansing and toning, apply a generous amount of the cream to the face and gently massage it in. It's suitable for use both during the day and at night. Usability. The cream has a thick yet smooth texture that absorbs well into the skin, providing immediate relief to irritated areas. It works well for all skin types, but is particularly effective for those with sensitive or acne-prone skin. The cream has a slight green tint that helps to neutralize redness, making it an excellent option for anyone with inflamed skin. Durability. The jar packaging is sturdy and practical, and a little goes a long way, as the cream is highly concentrated. With regular use, the product helps to heal and strengthen the skin, providing long-lasting results. The cream's gentle formula ensures that it can be used daily without causing any irritation. And finally, at number 5, we have Klairs Supple Preparation Toner. Klairs Supple Preparation Toner is one of the most popular products in the Korean skincare community, known for its ability to provide hydration and restore the skin's balance. This toner is suitable for all skin types, including sensitive skin, thanks to its gentle, nourishing ingredients. The toner works to hydrate and soothe the skin while preparing it for the next steps in your skincare routine. Key features. The toner is infused with a blend of botanical extracts, including aloe vera, chamomile, and licorice, all of which are known for their soothing and calming properties. It also contains glycerin and beta-glucan, which help to lock in moisture and hydrate the skin. The toner's slightly acidic pH of 5.5 helps to maintain the skin's natural barrier and balance. Benefits and usage. Klairs Supple Preparation Toner helps to prepare the skin for subsequent products, ensuring that serums and moisturizers absorb more effectively. After cleansing, apply the toner to a cotton pad or directly onto your palms and gently press it into the skin. It can be used morning and night to provide ongoing hydration and improve skin texture. Usability: the toner has a lightweight, slightly viscous texture that feels refreshing upon application. It absorbs quickly into the skin without leaving any sticky residue, making it perfect for layering with other products. The formula is non-irritating, making it a great option for those with sensitive or acne-prone skin. Durability: the packaging is simple and effective, with a wide-mouth bottle for easy dispensing. Since the toner is hydrating and a little goes a long way, a bottle will last several months. Its gentle formulation ensures that you can incorporate it into your routine daily without any adverse effects. That's a wrap on our roundup of the top 5 Korean skincare products you should add to your routine. These products are designed to address a variety of skin concerns, from hydration and soothing to anti-aging and brightening. No matter your skin type, Korean skincare offers effective solutions that deliver real results. Let us know in the comments which product you're excited to try or if you already use any of these. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more skincare tips and reviews.